Odonga has taken to X, formerly Twitter, to give his take or his position on the issue of National Forestry Authority, which has already been merged under another organization or under another government agency, to express his stance on the Acholi land. Odonga said he will support National Forestry Authority in case they come that they need land in Acholi. Now, his statement on X reads, "I will vehemently support any fresh acquisition or giveaway of land in Acholi to NFA UG. The rate of environmental degradation, in spite the Kagota Museveni ban on charcoal, is alarming. We are heading for doom. NFA forest reserves are better protected and can salvage the mass." That's what he said. Now, this is something which is most likely to spark public eyebrows. We don't know whether he made the statement out of anger of people not resisting or people not desisting from charcoal business, but it is something which is very controversial. It's still a developing story. Thank you.